Hi, I'm Irvi, a former Algebra 1 student, and I'll be teaching you or helping you with solving quadratic equations. The SOL objective is 8.4, and I really hope this helps you. If you want, you can look in your notebook and compare what I said to your notes. The lessons are on pages 203 and 205, and the examples are on pages 204, 206, and 207. As you can see, I have a sample problem here, which is 6x squared plus 11x minus 35 equals 0. I can't simplify it with factoring, so I'll use the quadratic equation, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The function 6x squared plus 11x minus 35 equals 0 is really similar to the one that is ax squared plus or minus bx plus or minus c. So you can just substitute the numbers in for the letters and put them into the quadratic equation. So if I'm to do that, I get an equation that is x equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared minus 4 times 6 and times negative 35 all over 2 times 6. If I were to simplify that, I'd start with the denominator because it is very simple and easy, and I would get it out of the way. I would get x equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared minus 4 times 6 times negative 35 all over 12. Now I'll start with what's inside of the square root symbol. And if I solve that, I'll get x equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 plus 840 all over 12. So I'll simplify what was inside of the square root symbol, and I'll get x equals negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 961 over 12. Now because 961 is a perfect square root, I'll simplify it even further and get x equals negative 11 plus or minus 31 over 12. Now because of the plus or minus, I'm going to have to split the equation into two and get x equals negative 11 plus 31 over 12 and x equals negative 11 minus 31 over 12. Now, this answer will be a positive number because 31 is larger than negative 11. And I'll get x equals 20 over 12 or 5 over 3 if I were to simplify it. And for that equation, I'd get x equals negative 42 over 12 or negative 7 over 2. Let me erase that and fix it. And those are the solutions to this problem. So x equals negative 7 over 2 or x equals 5 over 3, and that is where they meet the x-axis on the graph. If you're having more trouble or you still need help, go to this website that's up here, or you can just scan the QR code. Okay? Thank you for watching. I really hope this was clear, and if it wasn't, please comment down below. I'm Irvi again, and this is the quadratic equation. Remember to use it when needed, and goodbye.